This is Aurangzeb Khan. Hope you all will be fine and in good health. In today's video, you will learn how you can calculate the OEE or the overall equipment efficiency of the machine or in your manufacturing system. OEE is very important KPI in the manufacturing, which calculates the efficiency of the machines and bring based on these results of the OEE, you can reduce the loss structure of your manufacturing and improve your efficiency of the machines. So OEE, we will learn what is the formula of OEE in this video and how you can calculate the OEE in your manufacturing system of any machine or of any line, and how you can improve the results based on the results of the OEE. So in this video, I will present a live example. I will incorporate the data in a Excel sheet, and then after watching this video, you will be able to understand how you can calculate the OEE of your machine or your line or in your manufacturing system, and then how you can analyze that data, and then how you can bring the changes in your manufacturing system to upgrade the efficiency of the machines. So watch the video, and then if you have any clarity, comment on the comment section. I will respond. Thank you. In the screen you can see an Excel sheet in which I will incorporate my basic data for calculating the OEE, and after adding that data you will be able to analyze how the OEE have been calculated and how you can calculate the OEE of any manufacturing machine. Let's first incorporate this. This is my basic data which I have to incorporate in my Excel sheet. After this I will convert that based on this data on this formulations. This will be converted in terms of time, and then the formula of OEE you separately you availability rate, performance rate, and quality rate, and then the OEE will be calculated. So let us first incorporate the data. Let's say for shift length of is 24 hours, and then it is 24 hours, and this is converted into minutes. And then if your system have any short breaks or meal break, you incorporate those in here. Let's say I don't have any kind of short break or meal break, then no need to add. If there, let's say if there is any short break, like one short break, that short break you have to incorporate the time of that short break as well. Let's say it's 20 minutes. So it's my system have in 24 hours have 20 minutes short break. So if you have any meal break, let's say I don't have any kind of meal break, then no need. If there is any meal break, you can incorporate there. So if you have incurred a downtime of, let's say 160 minutes, and then your ideal run rate, that's the standard speed of the machine, is, let's say, is 140 parts per minute, pieces per minute. Your machine is running 140 ppm, means your machine is running at 140 parts per minute. So total pieces you produced in that 24 hours is, this is the actual production. Total pieces mean actual production. That's 150,360 pieces you produced. This actual amount in your production run in 24 hours. This amount, this quantity of production in terms of pieces, and then you incorporate. Let's say you have incurred 1500 pieces which are defective pieces. So this is the basic data which you collect from the OEE, and then from your production from the actual sheet, and then this data after incorporating this basic data, this breakdowns the machine standard speed, total actual production, and then the reject pieces. Then I move on to the next column. Then for based on this data is converted into terms of minutes. So total planned production time is shift length minus the breaks. I have one break only. The total planned from the total, it's minus that's the 1450 from 1450 it minus 20 minutes, and then 1420 is my total planned production time. So what is the operating time? Planned production time minus the downtime. As I have downtime of 160 minutes, so from planned production it deducted from 1420 deducted the 160 minutes, then it's come the operating time is 1260. So what is the good pieces? Good pieces, the total pieces I produced, from that I reject minus the rejected pieces. So it's the total good production is the 153,860 pieces is my good production. So let us move to the Oee formulation. First, the availability rate. As availability rate calculate from operating time divided by planned production time into 100 for percentage. So this is my availability time. The formula operating time I already calculated, this one, and then planned production time, the this one. So it divided by this one and multiplied by 100, it's the availability rate will come. So after this I will calculate performance rate. Performance rate reflect the speed and the minor breakdown. So total pieces I produce this one, total pieces, and then the divided by operation time into ideal run rate. So multiplied by 100. So in this way you can calculate the performance rate. 88.07 is my performance rate. So next, the quality rate. Good production, as I already calculated good production, and then divided by the performance, divided by the total pieces that I produce, this one actual production. So this will come as 99.03. Then multiplying by all these three, availability, performance and quality, you can calculate the overall effectiveness. When I multiply these all three, then this 77.39% will be my overall equipment efficiency, or the OEE. Based on this, you can evaluate your machine performance. This is 77. It means you have to more work on your manufacturing losses, because your loss is on more side, on higher side, and because overall worldwide standard, at least your OE on, if your machine is performing good, it should be 85. It should not be less than 85%. So to get it 85%, you have to work on your loss structure. Either your system have more rejection, minor breakdowns, or the bigger breakdowns. You have to work on these losses, and then you can evaluate what are the main losses which are incurring, and how you can improve them by incorporating their data. And then this is a simple sheet. In this you can incorporate your data of the machine, and then you can calculate the OE of your machine, and then improve your manufacturing system. In the next coming videos, I will also discuss regarding TPM, world class manufacturing, and further OEE loss structure, and what are these losses, and how you can counter these losses by making effective strategies in your manufacturing system. So this is all how you can calculate the OE of any system. This is very simple Excel sheet by which you can calculate your OEE of the system. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. I will guide. No problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. For like the video and share the video for maximum reach, and also subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming good videos for these total productive maintenance, OEE, manufacturing, so you can get benefit. Thank you.